Pip, pip, tally-ho, and a Merry Christmas. Joolz Guides here, in which I wander around London and tell you fascinating facts. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like the videos. I'm going to do a slightly different video today because I've got my friend Matthias here. He's all the way from Brazil.
Hey,
hello, Matthias.
How you doing,
nice
bud?
to see you. And anyway, if you're in Brazil and you're learning English, Teacher Matthias is the man to do it. Just follow him on his Instagram, Teacher Matthias. So you've come here to our freezing cold shores. What do you want to see?
I want to see the Christmas markets I heard so much about.
Well, I mean, I've never been a massive fan of the Christmas markets, that's the thing. But no, just because I've seen them in Germany and they do them so well over there. But if you insist,
please,
we shall go and investigate some Christmas markets. So we're going to see how many Christmas markets we can visit before our battery runs out. So let's go.
Let's do that, yeah.
Sing a song of London, something to be proud of.
Nothing quite says Christmas like fried chicken. But funny enough, in Japan, there's a tradition of eating Kentucky Fried Chicken on Christmas Day. So you can check. Last Christmas, I took the wife and family to Kentucky Fried Chicken. I asked for 2 legs and a breast, and they threw the mother-in-law in bargain bucket. 1.5 pints of Star of Primer, please. In a plastic glass. We've got to try something at all the Christmas markets. I'm not having fried chicken. Pizza, nah, not really. They've got some chocolate. Chocolate's Christmassy. Seafood. I think beer's probably the best foot. Bloody hell, mate. Go easy there. What do you think of this one, Matthias? I mean, you know, there's not a huge range here at Covent Garden. Some very nice booths over there if you're sitting down and eating.
Looks like people are just taking selfies there.
Yeah, there's a lot of selfies going on.
Enjoy life. Enjoy real life, people. Come on.
No, wait a minute, we did a selfie.
Sorry, I just need one picture of the empty thing and then you can go.
Okay. Then we may go in after she has taken there's a queue to take a selfie.
From Mayfair to Happy Hampstead, far beyond the East End, far beyond the West.
So, we are now in Trafalgar Square. You must have heard of Trafalgar Square, Matthias?
Yes, I have.
Of course. I think the Christmas market's really mostly derived from Germany. That's my understanding of it anyway. And so it feels quite Christmassy, although I noticed the Christmas tree, which is traditionally donated by Norway, is looking a bit sparse this year.
Why do they do that?
Well,
they just give you a tree?
Well, no, I think it's thanks for the help we gave them during the Second World War. Some years it's better than others, but it's a gift, so don't knock it. Bravo! So one bratwurst, please. Yeah, we'll share with onions. Onions,
Please, yes.
with
please.
onions, please.
Let's do that. Let's
Yeah,
do chili
sorry,
beef.
can I change the order to a chili beef one? Thanks. The bun it comes in is half the size of the sausage.
It's merely something to hold the sausage.
Oh, is it? Okay, right. I like places that accept cash.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Cash or card?
yeah, good.
That's
That's
good,
the way
that's
it
good.
should be.
No cash going.
Do you like the English mustard?
I love English. Is this
Mind the shoes. That's enough. Whoa.
Do you want to eat ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup.
Condiments.
COVID ketchup. It's got other people's like. Everyone's been touching it. What the hell? What can we do about it?
You know, England is very famous for its condiments.
Right.
You know, you guys love condiments, don't you?
Well, yeah.
And
I
this
guess
is something
so.
I love about England, is because I love ketchup, I love mustard, I like brown sauce. Like,
Yeah, horseradish. That's
horseradish.
quite hot. Yeah,
Very good.
bit of
It's
horseradish.
as hot as an English
Mint
mustard,
sauce
isn't
on some lamb.
Beats the
Spot
heart
on.
of
That's good. It's quite spicy, actually. You'd like it.
Sing a song of London, tell the world about it.
Now, next up is this little market around the back of Selfridges. Well, so what are your first impressions about this market? I don't see a Christmas tree.
No, yeah. I don't feel that Christmassy.
Oh, we got Helter Skelter. Oh, no, I'm feeling a bit more Christmassy. That looks quite fun. Venezuelan food,
I've never had Venezuelan food.
haven't you?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you doing? We're a bit concerned it doesn't look that Christmassy here. But you are playing Christmas music, at least.
Like over there in the displays, you can see the way that we serve the arepas.
Whatever.
It's the one that we used to work.
You won an award? Yeah, okay, we'll take one of them. Is this what you eat on Christmas Day in Venezuela?
Not necessarily, but it's something that you eat most of the day.
It sounds a bit Mexican. Are you sure it's not Mexican?
It's not spicy.
Oh, it's not spicy. Oh, all right. Oh, a fork. Okay. Oh, no, it's a wooden one. He's got a real phobia about these like wooden forks. He actually cannot even. There it is. Look, I'm looking forward to. Now, where can I eat this?
Upstairs we have a rooftop.
Rooftop?
Yeah, do you want to go?
On the van.
Yeah, the stairs is on this side.
Great idea. Thanks very much.
You will have a really nice view of the market from the tree.
Lovely. Oh yeah, where's the tree? Oh, they do have a tree. They do have a tree. I'm happy now. I've no idea what it is. It's like a sweet potato fry, deep fried sweet potato fries. But it's really nice.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend these. Good stuff there. What's that, a bit plantain or banana? I don't know. You know what? I'm beginning to feel Christmassy already.
Oh yeah.
Being up here is quite nice. We've got the music going. I've seen a tree. Prince Charming, Prince Charming, ridicule is nothing to be scared of. Reminds me of that Adam Ant.
Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas.
May Godmother giving you all your blessings that you need this year.
What is your favorite Christmas song?
It is Knock Knock Rat-a-tat Ho 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 by Joolz Guides. No, I'm joking. You know the Joolz Guides Christmas song. Gotta say, that's brilliant. You know, no. An old man said to me, won't see another one. Thanks so much. Merry Christmas. We're not going to try all the places, but the place that we went to, the Venezuelans, they were lovely. And so they're getting a very high mark from me. 9s and 10s across the board. Let's go to the next place.
Once you hear those bow bells ringing, wanderlust forsakes you. London simply takes you.
We're a bit worried in case they stop us filming. It's very Christmassy in here, Leicester Square. I quite like this. There's sweets over there. I say we get one of those churros.
Churros?
Oh no, hang on. It's mini pancake. I don't fancy beer just yet.
No.
Oh, there's a chocolate world thing. What do you think of those?
You like those fountains, don't you?
Let's go and have a little look. Oh, a stick. I'll get a stick with strawberries and marshmallows on it. This one looks fine. Quite, because I've never had it. Thank you, Matthias. Honestly, I was a bit grumpy, and Matthias has taken me to do all these things I haven't done before. It's quite nice.
I'm taking you, okay.
Okay, so we got chucked out for filming. So I was just saying, I got a wooden fork so that he can't have any. Wait, steady. Bloody hell.
To its heart and makes you sing a song of London.
Now, strictly speaking, this is actually a winter market. It's not a Christmas market, okay? I don't know what the difference between a winter market and a Christmas market is. Hello, sir.
How's it going?
Very well, thank you. Well, nothing quite says Christmas like a toasted cheese sandwich, so let's have one, please.
Excellent.
Cut it in half, that would be good.
Oh no, I want to see you wrestle with a massive sandwich.
I like the place. People are friendly here. We haven't been chucked out. No one stopped us filming. It's always good.
That's not security.
I've run out of stuff to say about cheese sandwiches and Christmas. I'm sorry. I'm done.
I'd like one of those.
Do you want this one? You can have it.
Yes, please.
Yeah, you can have half. What the hell? It's Christmas. Give this half to this lady. There we go. You can have that half. No problem at all. No kisses. No kisses. COVID, you see. No, because I'll get comments about it. And yeah, elbows. Enjoy it. No, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you
See
very
you.
much, guys. Thank you.
Thank
guys.
you.
Have a lovely evening.
See you later.
Can I have a little quick snap?
Yeah, why not? Why not? We're only in the middle of filming and all. No worries.
You're from my stomping ground as well.
Am I?
Highgate, yeah.
Ah.
You're a Highgate boy.
You're looking up at him like proper admirer.
Yeah, lovingly.
Joolz, tell me about this wall.
You're from, yeah, I know. Is that really what I do? Tell people about walls?
I'm proper interested though, man. It's making me more like pay attention.
Yeah.
When I go to Smithfields, I see all the gunshots in the.
Are you from Highgate then?
Yeah.
Dude, you're famous. I was supposed to be filming and you're getting stopped by people. What the hell?
All bells greet you. happy crowd to meet you.
Right, well now this one is Haze Galleria, just near London Bridge. Overlooking the river, it's beautiful. This is definitely the nicest location. Usual stuff, same old, and they all seem to have the same stuff. Tally ho, ho, ho.
Look, it's Julian.
Look who it is.
Merry
It's Lil
Christmas.
Oslu and Simon.
Happy Christmas.
What have you spotted? Any stocking filler ideas?
I recommend for Christmas this extraordinary album by myself, Little Oslu, which features all the songs from Joolz guides. We've also got these amazing pendants in silver if you want something healing and angelic and to increase your psychic powers so that you can mind read Julian.
Magical.
What other kind of things do you produce there in your jewellery emporium at home?
Gift cards, as well as further jewellery that involves all little animals like dogs and cats.
Any animal you want on alexanderedward.com, any angelic or sort of mythical creatures like unicorns on LouPsycheJewellery.com.
Well, a very Merry Christmas to one and all. So are you going to come for a drink?
No.
No.
Charming. Merry Christmas to you too. Hello. What's that? Okay, so glögg.
Swedish.
Oh, that's what they call it. Glögg. It's like mulled wine in Swedish.
Vodka, port, and mulled wine.
All right, I better have one of them.
You should do. They are the best.
Round about the cauldron go, in the poisoned entrails throw, or whatever she's putting in. I'm not trying to call you a witch. That was
Anything
terrible.
and everything.
That was the witches from Macbeth. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Oh, look, and I've got fruit in it. Now I'm a happy man. Last time I didn't get any fruit. That's what it's supposed to look like. Cheers. I give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. But the very next day... I'll probably get a copyright strike for this because I'm going to put it on Instagram or whatever. Thanks very much. My friend will pay. That used to be my favourite phrase at university. You see, I do really like this location though. I just know. But let's knock these back, and there's only one place to finish a Christmas video in my opinion. And we all know where that is.
But of course, Joolz is in. Mr. Julian McDonald. Why have we got a Christmas hat on?
We're filming our Christmas video, and I apologise for him sticking his camera in your face.
Oh, it's fun.
He's used to
Sleigh
the
bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight. Do what? Walking in a winter wonderland.
Cheers, Matthias. Cheers, Tom. Cheers, Ron. You're both terrifically good company. It's been lovely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy the videos. And don't forget to follow Matthias's Instagram, which is Teacher Matthias. And you could buy Tom Carradine's CDs. Just follow all the links below. And you can also buy my sister's CD. And that's all on the website. But above all, have a very Merry Christmas. Cheers.
Cheers. Merry Christmas.
Sing a song of love.